Sports Car World Rentals Track and Drive Days puts you behind the wheel of your dream car. From racetrack-bred weapons to exotic supercars. Not only can you choose your dream car, you can choose your dream package to suit your style and budget. The full 5 kilometres of Eastern Creek can be all yours, with no speed limits and an experienced and qualified instructor by your side, helping you make the most of your time behind the wheel.
Absolutely amazing. Oh wow.
I'd definitely like to come back and maybe do
Come
it
back
again.
and do it again. You learn a lot in a short period of time, don't you? Excellent.
Or perhaps you just want to be a passenger and see what your dream car is really capable of. To hit the racetrack in the car of your dreams, head to sportscarrentals.com.au for pricing and information. It makes the perfect gift, and drive days and corporate events are also available.